What's up, everyone? Slay Buddha over here. How y'all doing? First YouTube video. I never thought I'd be. I never thought I'd be the one to do YouTube videos. Honestly, like that was the last thing I ever expected of myself. But here I am making a YouTube video, and I'm gonna go over a trade I took last week. Actually, a GBPUSD trade I took on Monday last week that ran a total of 15 hours. But before that, just a quick introduction of what I'm gonna be doing here. um yeah, I'm honestly just gonna be posting my trade breakdowns, like all the trades I take. Well, not all, but some of the trades I take. I'm gonna explain why I took them, my analysis behind my setup, the entries, exits, thought process, just the thought process behind behind the trades I took, behind the trades I take, right? I'm not gonna go over basics. I'm not gonna teach you what an order block is, or what fair value gap is, or any of that basic stuff. I'm not gonna teach any of that. If you don't understand what I'm explaining, then you should just Google it, or like go to other YouTube videos. There's a ton of information out there on smart money concepts, so you can understand the basics of what I'm saying. But I'm just gonna go through my trades because I feel like it's gonna help a lot of people who think maybe they see my charts but they don't really understand the reasoning behind everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna share my ideas on my perspective on the charts. And yeah, I might drop a video, like, I don't know, maybe could be once a week, could be twice a week, could be 5 days a week, could be once a month. Just depends on how I feel, because I'm only doing this for fun. Honestly, it really just seems fun, and I like teaching. Right? I've been told I'm a good teacher. Not to toot my own horn, but anyway, let's get to the video. I feel like there's something else I have to say for the introduction. Nah, I don't think I haven't. I tried coming up with an introduction, like coming up with something. You know how YouTubers always have their thing, like the thing they say at the beginning of each video, but I couldn't come up with anything, And I realized I don't want to. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a trader first. So these videos are just like, they're not. It's not. It's not for. How do I explain this? It's not like I don't care about the likes or subscribers or any of that. I just want to make fucking videos, right? So I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm gonna be completely myself, who I am. And if you can't deal with that, then you can fuck right off. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. All right, let's get to the trade. GBPUSD. All right, so this is the trade I took. You can see it here. On Monday, this trade I took over here. This was my entry over here, and this was the trade. The first profits at 5R, and I took more profits at 15R right here. All right, so that's the trade. Let's see how I entered it, what my thought process was, everything. I'm trying to keep these videos short and simple. I don't want to go on ranting and stuff. Like, I just want to keep it simple. And yeah, let's start with the weekly time frame. So what did I see? I saw the price reacted off a weekly order block over here, and obviously it's a weekly order block, so I'm expecting a deeper retracement. I actually wanted price to retrace all the way down to fill the gap here, but I still want us to fill the gap. Honestly, I still think we're bearish, but I'm just gonna watch and see what price action does. I'm not gonna force anything. So yeah, the weekly time frame, I saw that, and I just refined it to this daily order block over here. So this is my main POI for major buys, right? For swing buys, basically. So let me just get rid of this. So I need to take sells up to here, right? So daily time frame, nothing much to see here pertaining to the trade I took. I'll just say, obviously I see equal lows here, juicy equal lows that I know is going to be taken out eventually. I don't know when, but eventually it's going to be taken out. So yeah, daily time frame, nothing much to say there. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame now. So on the 4-hour time frame, we came from this order block here, this 4-hour order block, which is actually on the 1-hour time frame, a 1-hour order block. But we came from this order block last week. Let me just refine it to the 1-hour time frame right here. So we came from this 1-hour OB over here, right? And what happened after we came off that 1-hour order block? We broke structure. We broke the structure to the downside. So we have a break in market structure, right? So after this BMS, I'm just going to wait for a pullback into some kind of order block here to take a sell, right? which order block do I choose? Like, Slay, there's so many OBs to choose. How do you know which one to choose? Well, I have 4 rules of picking an order block. I'm not even going to go into that right now. But one of the main things is premium and discount, right? So I just pull a fib from the range high to the range low. And I'm going to ignore this one. It's too low in the range. I'm going to ignore this one as well. So my only points of interest for sells, this order block, this one, and this one, right? So I have those 3 POIs for my sells. And I'm not just going to enter off it, I'm not going to guess. I'm going to wait for the reaction. I want to see what the market is going to do inside my POIs. So I draw this one first of all, because what do I see? Something happened during Asian session over here. So we reacted off this order block. And yeah, people are going to say, oh, it's not an order block. I call it a hidden order block. It's honestly just a regular supply candle, right? So I call it a hidden order block because on the lower time frames, there's an order block inside this doji, right? So let's just check it right now. Is it a 30-minute? Yep, 30-minute time frame. You can see the bullish candle before the bearish one that broke the structure, right? So it's an order block, right? It's a hidden order block, whatever you want to call it. And what do I see? I see that we took our liquidity from here, right? We took our liquidity from here. And what else happened? We broke structure. We broke structure on the 1 hour time frame, right? Now I know that we're going to come here. We're going to mitigate out of something here and most likely continue the bearish momentum, right? So let's go down to the 50-minute first of all. Let's see what we can see here. Let me just clean up the chart. So we're on the 50-minute time frame, and I wasn't honestly behind the chart at this time, so I missed the sniper from the top. So if I was to take a trade, I would have just taken my trade from this 5-minute order block, which is the origin of the move. The origin of the move that broke structure. So I would just enter here, perfect sniper entry, and take the trade down. But unfortunately, I was not behind the screen at this time. So let's see what happened later on. So yeah, we came off there. All this happened. And then I saw this 15-minute order block over here. So I missed it from the top. I wasn't behind the screen. But I saw this order block over here, right? And inside this order block, I saw a 5-minute order block right here. So this was my POI for, this is where I wanted to enter at this 5-minute order block right here. I was going to enter here. You see, broke this structure here. But unfortunately, price did not reach my POI. No problem, no problem. What do? I just wait for extra confirmation. I wait for more mitigation, right? What happens? We break structure to the downside. Over here, we broke this minor structure here. You agree this is a break-in structure on the 3-minute time frame. You can go to the 1-minute time frame. If it's not clear, you can just check the 1-minute time frame right here. Yep, a BMS, right? So after this BMS, what am I going to do? Same thing. Wait for a pullback into an order block in this range. And what did I see? I saw this, like I said before, hidden order block. I just call it it's a hidden order block supply candle, whatever you want to call it. I saw it there, and I like to see liquidity being taken out. So I assumed that we're going to take out these kind of like equal highs, you can say. So I was waiting for us to take out this high, so that's why I entered, I'll say around the 50% of the whole 3-minute order block around here. So I entered around here. My stop loss was 1.5 pips. I think I entered a bit higher. Let me check the exact place I entered at. So as you can see here, 1.39294, 1.39294. So yeah, I entered around there, right? Yeah, we entered around there. 1.5 pip stop loss right there. And let's just see what happens. We get into my zone and keep on going down. I took my first partials at 5R right here, which of course is in line with the structure here. And you can see we have relatively equal lows, right? Over here. So I just took my first partials at 5R. And then I let the rest, I took like 80% at 5R or 70% at 5R, following my rules. You know, you don't have to do that. but I saw equal lows, took partials of 5R, and I took the rest of my partials around 15R. Like I took off some more at 15R right there. So let's just see how it plays. Yep, right there. So I took, oh, that was actually the perfect place to take partials. So let me, yeah, 15R, perfect, perfect exit. So around 50R, I took my second partials, and do you know what happened? I got stopped out of break even. The rest of my partial got stopped out of break even, and then it just tanked all the way down. It tanked heavy. But you know, it's all cool. I took my partials, I took money from the market, perfectly fine with that. And that was the trade for last week, Monday. So some people are like, oh, Mondays, they're so slow, you shouldn't trade Mondays, risky, blah. That's some bullshit, man. You can have good trades on Monday, you can have good trades on Friday. Doesn't really matter. You just have to react to the market accordingly. So that's the end of this video. That was the GU trade over here. You can come to just join my journal so you can just see all the other trades I take and all my analysis and my back test and all that. I took a trade yesterday of EU trade, 5R trade. Maybe I can break that down too. So let me know in the comments if you want me to break that video down. I actually found this pretty fun. I might stick to this. I just might stick to this. So that's it for this video. I'm not gonna tell you to, like, how long is this? 11 minutes. All right, I'm trying to keep them really short, right? Maybe because this is the first video, it'll be about 15 minutes, but I don't want to keep it more than 15 minutes for each video. So yeah, I don't want to tell you to like, comment and subscribe, because I don't know, it's so weird to me, you know. First of all, I don't really care. You can do what the fuck you want. If you like the video, thank you. If you don't, then, you know, just let me know in the comments actually what you thought of the video. Like, how can I improve? You know, is the first video, is the quality good? Is the sound quality good? I'm not sure about this mic. Is the video quality good? Am I too fast? Am I too slow? Am I too slow? But yeah, just let me know so I can improve on the videos. And yeah, oh, and before I leave, I always get 2 questions. I'm going to answer those questions right now. First of all, I'm not Indian, guys. I'm not Indian. I'm not from India, okay? I know I have Krishna in my profile picture, and it's kind of too late for me to change it right now, but I'm not Indian, as you can tell by my accent. And secondly, I don't have a mentorship. I don't have a course. I'm not really into that kind of stuff. It just seems stressful, in my opinion, you know. But I do have one-to-one sessions, so you can hit me up and ask me about that. Just yeah, it's not for beginners though. So if, like I said, if you don't understand everything I just said in this video, if you're like, oh, what's an order block, what's BMS stand for, then it's not for you. All right, you have to go learn that by yourself and try and apply it by yourself first. And then if you still don't understand, if it's still kind of, if there's a missing piece, you know, if you have all the concepts down but you still don't know how to put it into one, you know, strategy, or you don't know how to, like, yeah, just add it all together, then yeah, I can definitely help you with that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I have nothing else to say. Stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to keep it simple. See how simple everything I did was? Super simple. Just keep it simple and follow structure, then look for liquidity, and yeah, you should be fine. Keep it simple. Peace out.